Hello and welcome. This video describes the usage of priceSeries EZPro for Nasdaq 100 equities. There is no new software to install. The EZPro application runs in a web browser. We recommend the usage of Google Browser. The EZPro application is accessible 24/7 and from any location using the internet. To start the EZPro application, navigate to the priceSeries website and click on Login to provide your login name and password. On a smartphone or tablet, you may have to click the hamburger button to view the login button. The clickable areas are highlighted in red. After login, you view the EZPro main screen. The trades in the trades table have the following states. Green up arrow indicates an active long trade. Green cross indicates a long trade exited today. Red down arrow indicates an active short trade. Red cross indicates a short trade exited today. You can search for a stock by typing its symbol in the search box. To only view long trades, click on the top green up arrow. Your table will look like one in the picture. Similarly, a click on the red down arrow lists only the active short trades. Click on Reset to reset the filter table. Now let's take a look at trade details. You can click on a symbol in the table to look for its trade details. We have clicked on TXN, Texas Instruments. First, we see the summary of the trade that includes the current status of the trade completion time. The technical chart of the trade follows. The chart displays the daily stock movements, the stop loss, and the daily target price. The green, yellow and red blocks at the bottom of the table indicate the daily momentum. Green block indicates a continued higher momentum, yellow and red blocks indicate a weakness in the momentum. Now let's scroll down to view the Texas Instruments live chart from TradingView that includes momentum indicators like RSI, MACD, and stochastics. This chart enables the trader to monitor and validate the market momentum for the stock. On scrolling further down, we find the trade information explained in detail in plain English for traders who are not able to read the charts. Now let's take an example of a short trade. We have selected Cisco Systems from the table. As you can see, the trade details indicate it is a short trade and the technical chart indicates the inverse stop loss and the price target. Let's scroll down and look at the live momentum charts. As you can see, all indicators point towards a downtrend. Here's an English description for traders who find it difficult to read the charts. Legal disclaimer. priceSeries is not a certified financial planner or certified financial advisor. Please read our full disclaimer and terms and conditions before using our services. priceSeries does not guarantee any form of success. The actual trade results may vary from our simulated results. Here's our pricing for EZPro for Nasdaq 100.